once it's locked in. All right, should be done. All right, guys, as you can see, we sealed up a few bags. 2 bags of 38 Special and 1 of 308. We gotta show you a trick with the 308. You gotta make sure you place it into this direction so it actually seals better. It took us a while the last time. So once we found the spot, lock it in. Wait for the seal to turn off. And there you go. So since the last one was a 308, I noted that it was 308. I'm gonna store this together, so I'm not gonna put another sticker. All right, great job with the, what is it, the Food Saver from Costco. And yeah, pretty simple thing. Right on. All right, here we go. This is attempt number 2. So we actually are using the cutting board to actually make it steady, because the first attempt we did didn't come out so good. Some of the ammo rounds were kind of off-centered, so this actually helps by centering it. Slowly getting it down. I'm not really into like just dumping all of the ammo together and sealing it, so I want it kind of neat and uniform. So let's see how it turns out. All right, it's looking pretty good, man. I got some 40 Smith & Wesson, 165 grains. I know in some videos, people cut out, you know, the box and you can actually add it in there, but nah, I think I'm good with this. All right, let's see what happens. Flip it around. Oh yeah. All right, I think we got it. There you go. Vacuum sealing ammo.